class?
Yes.
What is our voice level?
0 to 1.
If you have a question, you need to
Raise your hand.
And our activity is
Math.
with your movement is
Recognition.
and to participate you need to be
Engage and relevant.
what does that mean to be engaged and relevant? Chanston? Answering questions, Chanston? I mean not Chanston, Maxis? Listen. Jenna?
Stay on track.
Good. Does everyone agree? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Okay. So today we're gonna be going over the area or finding the surface area of trapezoids again. Okay. Does anyone remember? Can anyone remember? Tell me what they remember. Go ahead, Jen. So we have our academic language up on the board as a refresher.
You need to decompose.
What does it mean to decompose?
Take apart.
Okay. And what is the shapes that we're working with?
Squares and rectangles.
Good. And then we're using
Formulas.
and finding the
Surface area.
So what is our I can statement that we can come up with using those words?
I can decompose trapezoid.
Decompose
A trapezoid into squares and rectangles.
into squares.
And rectangles.
Oh, sorry. Rectangles and triangles. And what are we using?
Formulas.
Formulas, which is a good
Strategy to find surface area.
to find the surface area. Okay. So I'm gonna draw a trapezoid. Looking at a trapezoid, what can you tell me about it? How many sides does it have? Four sides. Are there any sides that are the same?
Yes. Wait, sorry.
The same length?
Yes.
One side. And what does it mean? What is the word that we're using when it's the same side? Congruent. Good. And which sides are the same? The right and the left. Okay. So I'm gonna say that the base of our trapezoid is 16. How can I decompose our trapezoid? Two triangles. Am I gonna do it this way or this way? Right here? Good. I'm gonna say that the height is going to be 8 and we have 10. I'm gonna do 8 as well. Okay, so what do we know about the middle part?
It's a square.
How do you know it's a square?
All sides are equal.
All sides are equal. So if this is 8, this would be
8. Finish the bottom, the top would be
good. How can we label this?
good. The triangles could be 4 because 16 subtract 8 equals 8. Then 8 divided by 2
So we
is
have
4.
good.
4.
So Wendell says 16 minus
8.
8 equals.
8 divided by 2
Why are we dividing it by 2?
because the triangles are 1/2 of a square.
Good.
So
So 8 divided by 2 is
1 and 2. It'll be 4.
4. Good. And this would be my triangle.
Okay.
A triangle
B
and C. Now, can someone tell me the formulas for a triangle?
1/2 base times height.
Okay, so we have triangle A equals, what was it again?
1/2 base times height.
Base times height. And for triangle B, 1/2 base times height.
And then for square C,
Square
it would
C,
be base times height because it's not half.
base times height. Okay. So what is the base of our triangle?
Our triangle is 1/2
The base of a triangle
or
is
4.
good.
And height is 8.
So what am I replacing it in our formula?
1/2 base times 1/2 4 times 8.
Good. And how did you get the 8?
Because it's the height.
Height of the
Triangle is 4.
good. Now what is 8 times 4? Maxis? 32. Now we have to find what is half of 32.
Half of 32 is 16.
Does everyone agree? 16?
Yes.
Should we try it?
Yes.
Okay, can I go right here?
Yes.
2 divided by, 32 divided by 2. How many times can 2 go into 3? 1. 2 times 1.
2 times 1.
And my operation is
Subtraction.
good. Subtract right to 3 minus 2.
1.
Drop down
to
the
2.
good.
2 into 12.
How many times?
6.
And 6 times 2.
12.
And my operation,
Subtraction.
good. Did we get 16?
Yes.
Okay, so the area of the triangle is,
16.
I'm gonna go right here. Equals 16. Now, are we gonna do squares, centimeters?
Centimeters.
Centimeters. So if this is gonna be centimeters, what am I missing on my trapezoid?
Centimeters.
Good. So if triangle A is equal to 16 centimeters, what about for triangle B?
Triangle B would be 16 centimeters.
So we have triangle B equals half times 4 times 8, and we said 4 times 8 was
4 times 8 was 16.
4 times 8,
32.
32,
Divided by 2.
and half of 32 was
16.
good. And what about for our square? What is
For
our
our
base
square?
and height?
8. 8 for base and 8 is for height. Because it's a square.
Good. So square C equals
8
8
times 8.
times 8
64.
equals to 64.
Centimeters.
Now what is my next step?
Add it.
Add it all together to find the total. Good. Can I erase this?
Yes.
So what are the numbers that I'm adding up all together?
The 16 plus 16 plus 64.
Oh,
16, 64. Okay, we have 6 plus 6 is
6 plus 6 is 12.
12 plus 4,
16.
16. Drop the,
6.
carry the,
1.
6 plus 1,
7.
plus 1,
8.
plus 1,
9.
9.
96 centimeters.
96 what?
Centimeters.
But we're finding the surface area, so
Oh, square centimeters.
good. Now since we're going into our SBAs, how can I write this in a sentence?
The trapezoid. Oh, the surface area of the trapezoid. The surface.
The surface area of our trapezoid
The surface area of the trapezoid is
the trapezoid is, what did we get?
96 square centimeters.
Good. Okay. Come around and check your sentences. Good. Good. Keep going, Nina. Good. Good. Once we have our sentences, what I want you to do is share to your partner next to you how we got our answer. So start from the beginning. What was the first thing that we did? What we did? Share with your partners. What was the process? What was the steps that we took? Okay. So what was the first thing that we did?
We did decomposing the trapezoid.
Okay. And then what was the next thing that we did? Because we knew that the total of the trapezoid was
96 centimeters.
the bottom. What is the bottom of the trapezoid?
16.
Good. And using the information that we have, after decomposing into triangles, we found the base of and what did we get?
We get 96 square centimeters.
Okay, so we knew that the total was 16, and then we decomposed it. We knew that the bottom was 8 centimeters of our square, right?
Mhm.
How did we find the base of the triangles?
4 plus 4.
And then 4 plus 4 plus the middle equals 2.
16.
Good. Now what was the strategy that we used?
B point base times height.
Okay, that is gonna be for which shape?
Right.
Good. And what is the formula for triangle?
One half base times height.
Good. And then what did we replace for the 4, or the base of the
32.
Good. And then we knew that triangle A and triangle B were the same, so what did we, that would mean that triangle B would also be
16.
16 inches.
16 square centimeters.
Good. And then I see here that you have 8 times 8 equals 64 for the square. So how did you know that it was 8? 8 times 8. Or, sorry, how did you know that the shape was a square?
But because you cut off the triangle and it looks like a square.
Okay. What's another way that you would know that it's a square? Because the A and the E were the same. So when we have a square, that would mean all the sides are
Same.
good. And then how did you get 96 square centimeters?
You plus the 16 and the other 16 with the 64 and then the value 96.
Good.